Hi, my name is Shamiso, and I want to show you how to do the chain stitch, which is letter D. So you want to change your stitch to right here to letter D, which is right here, and you want to place the fabric underneath the pressure foot. Make sure the pressure foot is up. You want to place it underneath the pressure foot here. Make sure your pressure foot is down and start stitching. So here's what it looks like. Here's the front. Here's the back of the chain stitch.